Well, hi everyone. Thanks for joining me for another video. This is just a really good app that I found. Well, it's also a website. Is really good for saving money, referrals, and passive income as well. And I'll show you how you're able to use that right now. I do have a few others in one of my other videos. If you're into this sort of thing, then please do check them out. Please do like and subscribe as well. But let me get started and share the screen. So you might have heard of this site, but you might not know how good it actually is for saving money. You can see here, I've only had it a few weeks and I've already got £48. So there's so many different shops. Oh, and every day there's competition as well. You can instantly win prizes. And you do get a £10 bonus with my link as well. I'll put it in the description there. So there's two versions. There's a free version, also a paid version, which is just £5, I think per month, or it might be per year. I'm not sure. I think it is just per year, actually. So the savings that you get from this are really good. So say you want to look at the travel ones, which I sometimes do, you're able to combine it with other offers too. So say you want say you're a Genius member on Booking, you're able to go on to there and also get 4% back, as well as any offers that they give to you on the merchant's website as well. You just press that button. It's really that easy, as long as you do it all in one smooth transaction. So if you go on it, then change your mind and don't book anything, you might not, you'll have to go back to the top cashback site and then do it that way. It works best when you do it all in one swift transaction. So it's best for when you do already know what you want to buy. But like they do have a lot of other ones. eBay is a good one. You get 2%. You can see there's literally everything on here. Say for example, let's take EasyJet holidays. They also have promo codes there. So there's an offer for £45 back there. Then you see here, there's some more offers. You're able to just reveal it when you go on them and you type it into the promo section. It gives you even more money off as well as the £45. So and that's as well as any offers that EasyJet might have. They do have some good offers from time to time. So it's really good for referring others too. So what you need to do is really simple. Just go to tell a friend. So if you did find this video useful so far, please subscribe. And there's a few ways to do it. I'll put this link in the description as well. And they get £10. You get it. Your friend will get it as soon as they make their first transaction. As soon as the payment's gone through, then they will get it goes on automatically as pending, but they'll actually be able to withdraw it when they do have a successful transaction. And there is a free version, so there's literally nothing to lose by signing up. Say, for example, you have a friend who isn't interested in signing up to this site, but they're still going to make a purchase at one of the merchants. That's really easy to do too. Let me find. Yep, so if they aren't interested in joining, what you can do is send a link to them. They just purchase as normal and it tracks on your commission. So then it's up to you what you do, if you hold on to it or give it to them. So say you had someone interested in EasyJet holidays, you just go to that, build a link. If you do have a website or anything, you can put it on there too. It gets you a link there. And then all they need to do is go to that, press continue to merchant, then just shop as normal. So as you see, they do have, if you have a website, also a link there. You're able to hyperlink it as well. So yeah, it's a really simple one to do. So I do have two others as well that I've been using just for things that I buy anyway. Like there's no need to change your shopping habits or anything like that for these ones. One is airtime rewards. That's really good if you often shop at Boots, Wilco, um, Nando's. There's a few other ones on there too. And it's really easy to build up to the minimum of £10 if you do the challenges on that. And then you might never have to pay a phone bill. So the other one is Cheddar. It works in a similar way, but you do actually get to withdraw, I think, to PayPal or your bank for that one. And it's a minimum of just £1 to withdraw. That one's good if you go to Sainsbury's, TFL Travel if you use your card on the bus. There's a few other ones on there too. Sports Direct is one that I've used it at. I'll just load up the screenshots so that you guys are able to see them. So like this isn't from changing spending habits or buying stuff specifically, just things I was going to buy anyway. So that with airtime I've built up almost £20, and then Cheddar is only a small percent, but you only need £1 to withdraw, as you see there. So I'll put the links for those ones in the description too. And do let me know how you got on. And if this video helps save you money, then please do share it and like and subscribe. I'll be back soon with another video. Bye for now.